I65 is back open tonight in Jackson County after a more than 16-hour ordeal set off by a semi-crash. We've been following the story of this massive roadside fire all day long as crews worked on a temporary fix to get the traffic moving again. And just within the past 2 hours, all the lanes have reopened, although drivers could expect to see some delays again tomorrow.
But tonight, investigators now say this fiery situation near Seymour caused some damage to the road that now needs to be permanently repaired.
INDOT is hoping to work on it tomorrow before the winter storm moves into our area on Friday.
There is some concern about the roadway. We have a very hot fire that's burned there for a long time, along with some chemicals dripping on that asphalt. So there is some concern that the pavement may be damaged. So we may be looking at some other delays when crews have to come out and make those repairs.
This all started early this morning with a chain reaction crash involving 3 semis. One of the trailers was carrying chemicals which spilled and mixed. The truck then erupted into flames. Police evacuated the area and closed down all 4 lanes of the interstate as a safety precaution. Only one person was hurt and not seriously.